Hello everyone and welcome back to BB's Learning. Uh, First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May this festival of light brings more prosperity, more clarity, more strength and more smiles on coming days. So today I'm back with a small story again and the story goes like this. There was a small unit, a small company, and which was doing great. And a new uh, head joins the factory, and days by days, months by months, started passing on. Everything was doing great, and everyone was enjoying their work. After a period, there was a group of people who started gathering against this new head and started the gossip that this guy is not good for us and hence we need to get a new person changed from this guy. Subsequently, these discussions took more, and somehow this news reaches the head that people are not happy with you and they are expecting a new person to head them. After that, this person spoke to those guys once and made them realize that things are doing good and is there anything that he can do. But since there was no feedback given, this guy continued. Again, things were back to normal. But after a period, again the same story got repeated. Again, a mob got created against this new head. So at that time, this head decided to move on and he started the search for his own replacement. He got his replacement, he got that new guy on board and he made him understand the business. And the day came when the existing guy has to get exited. While leaving from the company, he handed over two envelopes to this new joinee, the new head for the company, and have told him that whenever you get into any kind of issues or any kind of not doing good with the organization, do open envelope first and you will get the answer for your problem. And if the things get repeated, then you should open the envelope number two. And before that, don't open the envelopes at all. So the new guy obeyed the words and started working. Initially, everything was again good. Everybody was enjoying the work of the new guy since they got their head replaced. After a period, again the same wave came in, and there was another mob that got generated who started gossiping that this guy is also not good for us and we need to get a replace of him. The moment this news reached this new head, he took up and he just got up from his place. He went to the cupboard where he kept those two envelopes. He took out the first envelope, opened it and read. It was written in that envelope that whatever is going wrong, just mention that it is because of the earlier head who have been relieved recently and I am the replacement of the same. He came up to the people, he mentioned that whatever is going wrong, I heard that you guys are not happy, but this is because of the earlier head, and hence I must take charge and things will be fine now. You guys need not to worry upon. So the things moved on, people felt happy, things got normal for the moment, and they got into the journey again. After a couple of months, again the same news came to the guy that there is again the same gossip that the guys are not happy with you and they are trying to escalate this to the top management that they need their head replaced. So at that moment, this guy went back to the cupboard again and he opened the envelope number two. And on that envelope, it was mentioned that your time is up. Please get a replacement and keep two envelopes ready for the next head. What this short story tells us, my dear friends, this story tells us very small and two beautiful lessons which are outcome of those two envelopes. The first one is we won't grow unless we won't stop blaming others for our failures. And lesson number two is things will be fine, things will be great, you will be at your desired place once you take the charge of your own life. And the moment we fail to do so, we have to keep the two envelopes ready and move on. So, with this, I conclude for this moment and see you back soon with a new story. Until then, stay young, stay happy, keep pushing your limits, and be limitless. See you and bye bye.